Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PC Rust on your Xbox using GeForce Now. First, ensure you have a strong internet connection, ideally over 50 megabits per second, for the best streaming experience. You'll also need an active GeForce Now membership and a purchased copy of Rust on a supported PC game store like Steam. This method allows you to access the PC version of Rust directly on your console. To begin, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your Xbox console. Then, type in the official GeForce Now website address and navigate to it. Once on the site, you will need to log in using your existing GeForce Now account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly from their website before proceeding with the login process. After successfully logging into GeForce Now, use the search bar to find Rust. Select the game from the results and click the play button to initiate the streaming session. Remember, since you're playing the PC version, you'll need to connect a keyboard and mouse to your Xbox for optimal control, as a controller might not offer the full PC experience. For the best Rust experience, consider adjusting the in-game graphics settings to balance visual quality with performance, especially if you notice any lag. A wired Ethernet connection is highly recommended over Wi-Fi to minimize latency and ensure a smoother stream. Also, verify your GeForce Now membership tier supports the desired streaming quality, as higher tiers offer better resolutions and frame rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.